Lots of questions on where our office desk is from. We customized the entire desk from Ikea. I wanted a desk that seats 2 people, so we opted for a kitchen countertop. This one is 8 feet long. We also got this mini cabinet that fits underneath the desk and supports the weight, along with 4 table legs. You can find the details and product links on my blog. This desk only comes out to $204, which was so much cheaper than anything else in this size. Follow us for more home improvements on a budget.
Here's another great Amazon find. This is the FlexiSpot desk that we put in our daughter's room. It's the perfect size and doesn't take up too much space, and it's height adjustable. When my daughter's doing online school, she's always doing it on her bed, and it hasn't been the best on her back. And because she likes to do her schoolwork in her room, we decided that this was the best solution for her. The height of the desk can be adjusted using the up and down arrows, or you could preset your desired height. My daughter's 5'7", and the desk can go even higher. This worked out perfect for her room, and we love how ergonomically friendly it is.
So I wanted to change up this Ikea table. I've had it for years and it's gotten pretty scratched up over time. So I ended up getting some contact paper on Amazon. This one's pretty affordable, comes in a bunch of different colors, and it looks like wood. So I just apply it. It applies like a sticker paper, so you just lay it flat and put it over and cut it accordingly. And then I remove any of the air bubbles with a credit card, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. It completely transforms the table with little or no time. It took me about 30 minutes.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Here we are, closer than we ever were. Heart and soul, whatever come between us. Fear no gods, open never cancel stars. Hands to Mars, no one ever will defeat us. Carousel, carousel, you got me going, spinning time and time again. Carousel, carousel, you got me falling, tripping, calling, do it again. Higher above, we can reach the moon and stars, yeah. Carousel, carousel, you got me going, tripping, calling, do it again. Seems